Hello, this is Dr. Buonafede, Medical Director of Eternavita Med Spa, located in Southington, Connecticut. I want to talk a little bit today about how to maintain and create beautiful skin. I call this Beautiful Skin 101. Forever Young BBL is a technology that's been created by Cyton involving the use of their broadband light technology, which is part of the flash lamp system that's part of the Cyton laser jewel platform. We use it here at Eternavita Med Spa for a multitude of clinical reasons. And I'd like to talk today a little bit about something really exciting, and that's broadband light. Broadband light can cause significant rejuvenation of skin. The nice thing about it is it improves the sun damage, wrinkles, fine lines, freckles, acne, brown spots, uneven texture, and a multitude of other issues involving skin to really improve skin's appearance, and can be used virtually anywhere on the body. The exciting news about broadband light is a recent discovery, probably about 2 years old now, that in the human genome, which has now been mapped and identified for us, there are about 2,200 or more genes that are responsible for how skin expresses itself. When broadband light is used at the proper wavelengths, about half of those genes are reverted back to a more youthful, young skin genome kind of expression. So we literally reverse some of the aging effects of our skin as we get older and create a more youthful skin appearance. The nice thing about treatments is they're non-invasive. They have no significant downtime. They can be done during the course of a lunch hour, and they can be used for preventative care to create great long-lasting results in terms of how our skin looks. The skin BBL technology is innovative in the sense that it can reverse the aging effects of skin. We can use it to target your skin in terms of pigmentation, and it also creates and stimulates new collagen production by the way it specifically heats the upper layers of your skin. I talked in a previous video about the flash lamp. I just wanted to let people know that a laser in and of itself is really light amplified by the stimulation of the emission of radiation. The wavelength of light becomes very intense and can be used for a multitude of purposes. If we target certain wavelengths using light, we can target certain elements in the skin, which is what we use to improve the issues involving pigmentation, texture, and skin laxity. Forever Young BBL is a term that's been coined by Cyton. This form of non-invasive technology involves using a flash lamp. The wavelengths of light can be specifically targeted for certain issues, and here's an example of that. Whether it's 420 up to 695, the wavelength of light in nanometers can target acne, pigmented lesions, vascular lesions, and deeper lesions in the skin, and can be also used for the purposes of hair removal. This graphic shows us how the flash lamp is used to target different lengths into the skin surface and different targets in terms of pigmentation about the skin itself. Acne is used at the wavelength of 420 to treat acne. Here's an example of a single treatment and how much acne can be improved in terms of that particular wavelength. When it comes to age spots and pigmentation and freckles, something we're commonly asked to treat in terms of sun damage and sun exposure, a wavelength of 515 works very well in removing pigmentation. That pigmentation has existed in this patient for years, and you can see how simply 2 weeks after 2 single treatments of BBL, that pigmentation can be released. Redness is another facial issue that we treat commonly. For people who have red vascular type of lesions, you can see how much 2 treatments of BBL can significantly impact on the way skin appears. 590 wavelengths for deeper and darker skin types. Here's a décolleté that's been significantly improved using broadband light. At other wavelengths, we can target the pigmentation in hair and hair follicles and remove them permanently. This depiction shows some of the scientific evidence if you want to stop and look at deeper depth into the information provided on this slide. We now know genetically that we can reverse some of the aging signs of the skin genome and create a more youthful, nice-looking aesthetic appearance on skin. Look at how dramatic the pigmentation is from the left hand compared to the picture on the right, both the left hand obviously, but removing years of aging as a result of sun exposure and creating a nice dramatic effect. Let me know when. So when you have a chance, stop by our place at Eternavita Med Spa. It's located on Queen Street in Southington, Connecticut. You'll get a free skin analysis. We can address any specific issues you might have. We're very excited about the program we've launched for BBL Forever Young. It will significantly remove pigmentation issues, improve your overall skin appearance, and cause skin tightening, giving you a more youthful skin appearance. Stop by anytime and give us a call.